The Eurocity Social Affairs Forum met in Barcelona in March 2014. The main topic of discussion was the new social investment package, launched by the European Commission, and how cities can better contribute to its implementation. Evelyn Aster from the European Commission made the keynote speech and outlined the rationale and the priorities of the CIP. 3 workshops took place during the meeting: on migration and Roma people, on social innovation, and on partnerships between local governments, the third sector, and the private sector. During the political session, the Eurocity statement on CIP was adopted, which focuses on the importance of cities for the implementation of the European agenda on social investment.
What we find more important is to design a good framework to develop in all the cities. We can know very well how innovative can we be for the well-being of all the cities, in the economical level, in the well-being level.
The participants had the chance to visit 5 successful municipal projects, monitoring vulnerable elderly people at home and managing alarm services. Innovative housing approaches at Hort de la Villa and the Corsica apartments for elderly people with shared services. Innovative strategies for youth and youth employment at the Garcilaso Center. The project Socially Responsible Territory in the Raval neighborhood. And innovative approaches for migration, emigration, and volunteer return at Saya Service. Javier Drias, Mayor of Barcelona, stated his personal commitment to making Barcelona an active, inclusive city, with social innovation programs adopting the new CIP recommendations.